This is the Wireless Go by Rode. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing to see what you get in the box. And we're going to compare it to what you get with the knockoff brand right here. For the price, it's pretty good, but how does it compare to the real deal? We'll leave that for a later video, but let's talk about what comes in the box. Let's open this bad boy up. Real airtight packaging here. Really, guy? That's how you feel? That's how they feel. All right, we're gonna go through this real time, fam. Real time, let's go for it. Okay, whatever. I'm out of time for this junk. Okay, got another Rode logo on the top. God, dog, this thing is like it's like peeling a orange. All right, well, that was fun. Yeah, okay, we got that there, boom, bang, pow, and I still got to peel a tab. So obviously they come fresh. Make sure you check your date to make sure this thing is fresh and not spoiled. Quick start guide is the first thing we're going to see. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. Let's get that bad boy. Okay, I'm gonna flip up. I just want to acknowledge the dude with the hot top fade right here. Don't know what that's about, but that's pretty dope. Shout out to hip hop. And be careful that you don't just pull it when you get it, because it's clamped in. It's a clip, which I know about, thank God, and I didn't just yank it up like I did the rest of the packaging. This is not like easy free packaging. This is like no old people should be doing this. Okay, so you obviously get two charge cables here. That's one, because these things are rechargeable. Get rid of this paperwork and boom, this is how they look. They're pretty dope, actually. You get the famous Rode cable that comes with the micro microphone, if you got it. You get a dead cat and a even deader cat. I don't know if they give you two to do the same. You get a bag full of stuff that you're not supposed to eat, and I wasn't able to read back in the day, so I'll just tell you they mess your stomach up really bad. You get more literature, and in the bottom of this box, you get a little carrying case. Now that's cute. A little pouch for your little pouches. And that's it. So far, so good. Let's get that next to what you get with the knockoff brand or the not so popular brand. This is the case you get with the not so popular brand right here. So you get more of a case with it. Let's see, boom, bang, pow. And inside, there's a piece missing, but I can tell you what that piece is. That piece, it actually allows you to take a clip. And these things are hard to get out. I remember when I first, that lets you take this clip and turn it into a hot shoe or cold shoe. So it's a cold shoe mount. You also get two USB ports. And another cool thing about this one is you actually get a lav mic in the kit. Now, I'm not crazy about this lav mic. I'm not gonna lie to you. It sounds like it's not the best. But let's pop these bad boys out. And let's just put them next to the Rodes, and I thought, ooh, these things are small. These things are really small. Let's get some more light in there. Let's crank that light. Let's crank that Soldier Boy. There we go. These things are really small. Maybe I should turn them so the camera can see them. I actually thought that the knockoffs or the different version were going to be smaller than the Rodes, but this thing is little. I mean, just look at that. That's crazy. Let's just take some skin off and let's power this bad boy up real quick. Where's the power button? So is that the power button? That is the power button. And this still got plastic on the front, so it may not look as shiny. Looks a little dull, but it still has another layer of plastic. I don't know if I want to even take that off. See if I can get that off. All right, so let's power this bad boy on. Boom. So what's crazy is On the Roll, only one of them have a LED screen. However, on this version, they both have an LED screen. So as you can see, the audio is taking place here. The audio is moving here, and on this one, I can actually see the audio on both. Now there's a setting I hit to turn down the brightness. I can't remember what setting it was, but this thing is getting darker and darker. Okay, so, but on this one, you can actually see it on both screens. Let me see, hold up. Let me see if I can figure out the setting. Or is the battery just dead? It could be that the battery is just dead. Maybe I've been using these all day, trying to figure out which one I'm gonna keep. But that is a unboxing and a comparison side by side. These things are truly small. And you don't need an adapter for this clip to go into your shoe adapter. It just slides right in. So something to think about, especially when you look at the price difference. All right, guys, if you like what you see in this video, hit that thumbs up real quick. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're gonna have a comparison video with sound coming up. If you have any questions, right now is the time to ask. But you know, in the comments, so I can put it in the review. But that's the case you get with Rode, and that's the case you get with a Photo Well. Look at that. So yeah, you may want to you know, you want to double check it, because usually what I find with really cheap systems is there's the bad audio quality or lack of audio quality is usually a result of the microphone. If you get a proper Sennheiser microphone and connect it to a cheap kit, you'll get really good sound. Now you may suffer some issue with distance, but most really cheap kits are fine for most applications. I mean, as long as you're within like 100 feet, you're fine. But when you start pushing the max range is where, you know, things are different. And just keep in mind, this one has 2 LED screens. That one only has 1. So even though this one's not lit up, you've seen it light up a little bit earlier, you can kind of monitor the audio on both. So yeah, that's just something to keep in mind there when you're looking to think of which way you want to go. But that's both, and I will see you guys in the next video.